In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change alarm sound on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Clock app. If you can't find that app on your home screens, just swipe down to activate search and then just search for Clock. You will be able to easily find that app here and then just tap at Clock app icon to open it up. After that, we need to head over to alarms and then we need to enter an alarm for which we would like to change the sound. We can tap at any alarm, it doesn't matter if it is active or not. And once it is done, right here, we can easily find sound. If we get into it, we'll be able to select any ringtone from that list. First off, we can listen to current one. As you can see, that ringtone is checkmarked, so we can tap on it one more time to listen to it. And then, if we would like to change it, we can select any ringtone. And also down below here, we can find that classic category. If we get into it, it will show us much more classic ringtones. So from here, we can also select any. And then basically once it is selected, we need to head over back to our alarm settings, and then we need to tap at save to save the changes. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.